My name is Jason Shepherd from freakfit.com.au. I'm going to take you through a interval training session today with a hammer, and we're going to bring you 5 to 10 exercises. I'll let you work out how many reps we'll work on between 20 and 30 seconds interval. We're going to go through the transverse as well as the sagittal position. So a lot of rotating, perfect for the core. We'll get you moving. Let's start. Okay, just some real basic tips. When you're right hand dominant, left hand down, slide that top hand. Pick it up, top hand, slide it. Slide it. Slide it. So we're going to do just get 30 seconds right, 30 seconds left. Switch, slide that top hand. Once you've done 30 seconds, have a little breather and rehydrate. Let's get started. So we've got with 10 and 10 now, so 10 hits left and right with pulls, full body. Switch. Hook it in, make sure you secure it, pull it back. This is the 100 kilo tire. All the way down. And repeat. Heart rate should be up. Heart rate's up about 160, 170. Switch. So now we're going to work with tight bonds and strikes. So we'll do right hand first. 5 each. Left hand forward. Bend your knees. 2, 3, 4, 5. Back to right hand. 5. Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're going to work on that sagittal and transverse plane, taking the body through different planes of motion. So we're going to go down, here, laterally, 1, up, 10 reps, 2, 3, 4, good, drive it in, hips, 2 more, last one. Making sure you slide that hand. Next exercise. We'll do 10 left, 10 right. So we'll start off with our right hand. Again at your own time. I'm using also a 10-pound sledgehammer. So vertical. Bend your knees. Here. Switch. Left arm. 1. Good. Drive it in, bend your knees, good posture. Two more, last one. One more for good look. Easy. So now we're going to move to a closed kinetic exercise on your knees. 10, standing 10. Right arm dominant and left arm dominant. So we'll do 10 and 10. Standing exactly the same. Drive it in now. Warm. And then we go to our left knee. 10 reps and 10 reps. And let your heart rate come down. My name is Jason Shepherd, and once again, I'll bring to you and I've brought to you 5 or 10 different exercises. Good interval training, great to get the heart rate up, and also a good one to keep the training non-conventional. So a lot of core work, full body. This is Jason Shepherd, and I'm from freakfit.com.au. Have a great day and stay safe.